In this episode, I'm going to break down for you some of the best low maintenance plants, and on top of that, an added bonus, they're also really good air purifiers. So let's get to it. So this episode is sort of a threefer in a sense that not only do you get to learn more about some of the best low maintenance plants to have in your home, but also we're going to talk about why these are such great air purifying plants and what they do for the air quality inside your home, and they're some of the best plants to design your urban jungle with. But let's first talk about what plants these are and why they're so great at air purifying. And for that, well, we have to turn to NASA. So back in the late 1980s, NASA conducted this study to explore how plants can help clean the air in space stations. Their goal was simple: to identify plants that could remove common indoor pollutants and enhance air quality in a closed environment like our homes. The study focused on pollutants like formaldehyde, benzene, xylene, and ammonia, chemicals commonly found in indoor air due to off-gassing from household products, building materials, and even furnishings. NASA scientists placed various plants in sealed chambers with these pollutants and observed how effectively each plant cleaned the air. The results were incredible. Many plants were found to absorb pollutants through their leaves and roots, while also benefiting from the activity of microorganisms in the soil that help break down these harmful substances. Beyond just absorbing pollutants, plants were also found to increase indoor humidity through a process called transpiration, releasing water vapor into the air. Simple as that. This can be particularly beneficial in reducing airborne allergens and making indoor environments more comfortable, especially in dry conditions. So, when it comes to what plants are these, like which species are best, I have a full list for you, so let's take a look.
First up, we have the ever-popular spider plant. It's such a hardy species and is great for beginners. It's known for its air-purifying qualities, which can remove pollutants from the air, making your home a healthier and happier place. Next is the snake plant, also known as mother-in-law's tongue, another super-duper easy plant to care for. It's incredibly low maintenance and converts CO2 into oxygen at night, which means it's perfect for your bedroom. It helps improve indoor air quality too. The Peace Lily is not just beautiful with its white blooms, but it's also a powerhouse in removing indoor pollutants. It excels at filtering out ammonia, benzene, and formaldehyde. Plus, it can help increase humidity levels, which is great for your skin and respiratory health. Aloe vera is well known for its medicinal properties, particularly in soothing burns and skin irritations. But did you know it also helps purify the air? It's great at filtering out formaldehyde and benzene, commonly found in household cleaning products. The Boston fern, another beauty. It is a lush green plant that adds a touch of nature to any room. It's excellent at removing formaldehyde and xylene from the air. It also acts as a natural humidifier, making it perfect for dry indoor environments. English ivy is a versatile plant that can be grown in pots or hanging baskets. It's known for its ability to reduce airborne mold, making it a great addition to your home if you suffer from allergies. It's also effective in absorbing formaldehyde. The Areca palm is a beautiful and popular indoor plant. It helps remove toxins like formaldehyde and xylene from the air. This plant also acts as a natural humidifier, making it ideal for dry climates. The rubber plant is another excellent air purifier. It's particularly good at removing formaldehyde from indoor air. It's also easy to care for and can grow quite large, making it a great focal point in any room. Pothos, which is perhaps the most popular plant, also known as devil's ivy, is a fast-growing vine that's perfect for beginners. In fact, during the summer months, did you know pothos can grow up to a foot each month? It's effective at removing pollutants like formaldehyde, benzene, and xylene. Plus, it's very forgiving if you forget to water it occasionally. Dracaena plants come in many varieties, all of which are great at filtering out common toxins like benzene, formaldehyde, and several others. They're also quite striking, adding a touch of elegance to your indoor space and can be placed in medium to lower light areas. Philodendrons are beloved for their heart-shaped leaves and ease of care. They're great for improving indoor air quality by removing formaldehyde and other pollutants. They're also quite adaptable to different light conditions, which makes it a beautiful houseplant for several areas in your home. The bamboo palm is a fantastic choice for purifying the air. It's particularly good at removing formaldehyde and benzene. It also adds a tropical vibe to your home, making you feel like you're on vacation every single day. This is one of my favorites, the Chinese evergreen. It is a resilient plant that can tolerate low light and poor air quality. It's excellent at removing toxins like formaldehyde and benzene from the air, like many others. It's also very low maintenance, making it perfect for busy people. The Gerbera daisy is not just a pretty face. Its vibrant blooms can brighten up any room while also removing benzene, formaldehyde, and other toxins from the air. It's also known to release oxygen at night, improving your sleep quality. The weeping fig, or Ficus benjamina, is a popular indoor tree. It's effective at filtering out pollutants like formaldehyde and xylene. With proper care, it can grow quite tall, making it a stunning addition to your home, perhaps even serving as a statement plant, or tree in this matter. The ZZ plant is virtually indestructible, making it perfect for those with less than green thumbs. It's great at removing toxins like xylene and benzene from the air, plus its glossy leaves add a touch of elegance to any space. There are a couple different varieties of this plant, so you've got your pick. Golden Balthos, similar to its cousin, Devil's Ivy, is an excellent air purifier. It's particularly good at removing formaldehyde, benzene, and xylene. Its trailing vines can add a lush green touch to shelves and hanging basket. The Christmas cactus is not only beautiful with its colorful blooms, but also helps purify the air. It is particularly good at removing formaldehyde. Plus, it's a low-maintenance plant that can thrive in a variety of indoor conditions. Alright, how about this baby, the fiddle leaf fig? It's a trendy houseplant known for its large violin-shaped leaves. It's effective at improving indoor air quality by removing common toxins. It also adds a dramatic touch to any room with its striking appearance. Last but not least, we have the spiderwort. This plant is easy to grow and is great for purifying the air. It is particularly good at removing indoor pollutants like formaldehyde.
So as you just saw, one of the major benefits of these plants is the fact that they're low maintenance and can be grown in low light areas that don't receive a lot of light, which makes them easier to place around your home. But not only are they air purifying plants, but they also just do so much more to help enhance the aesthetic look of your home. The design and decorative value, to name a few. Beyond their air purifying qualities, these plants add value to indoor spaces, making them a popular choice for home and office decor. You can have so much fun rearranging these plants, putting them wherever you want, creating your own indoor urban jungle. I'm curious to know, though, which low-maintenance air purifying plants do you folks have in your home? Leave it in the comments below, because I'm always so curious to see what you guys are doing and how you're decorating with your urban jungles. Again, I want to thank you guys so much for checking out another one of my planty videos, and I hope that you will like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell for more fun and interesting planty content just like this. I'll see you guys in the next video.